most stupidest thing you can do as a student, or you are just sitting at home, okay, like me, I'm sitting at home, I'm preparing for my 12th boards next year, and the most stupidest thing you can do is to do nothing. Yes, you heard it right, is to do nothing. The most and fucking stupidest thing. And after completing your school or college, you will cry that in my college time or in my free time I did nothing. You will cry later after joining a shittiest company, or after getting exhausted by your company or exhausted by your job. After some time you will understand. I was sitting at home and I did nothing. That's the most stupidest thing you can do. Okay, this video is for especially for students who are in school or who are in colleges right now. Okay, you have free time. Okay, you have a lot of amount of time, bro. Okay, if you I know you don't have a lot of amount of time like me. Okay, I have a lot of amount of time, but if you have enough time to do something new, and in free time you're just scrolling reels. I am sitting at home from like past 1.5 year, and I did a lot of things. I learned a lot of things. I learned about fitness, I learned about content creation, I learned about editing, I learned everything. Now I'm trying to learn guitar too. Let me show you my guitar. See this is my new, this is my second hand guitar, and I don't know about guitar का मेरे को जी भी नहीं आता, but still I'm trying to learn. Okay, like this. Okay, I'm still trying to learn it, man. The most stupidest thing you can do is to do nothing. Okay, if you are a student or you have a lot of amount of time, you don't have that much amount of pressure on yourself. You don't have that much amount of pressure. Okay, you can do a lot of things. If in, especially in college, do something, bhai. Learn guitar, do content creation, do some fitness knowledge, do some certifications, have some knowledge, go with your friends and just improve your social skills. Just have some kind of skills which will pay you later in your job, in whatever you are doing. Or just start to create content like me. I made a lot of more than 600 plus videos on YouTube, and 100 plus like 120 reels on Instagram. I'm still doing it every day. Okay, so what's the point of making this reel? If you are a student like me, you don't have that much amount of pressure on yourself. Okay, some student are, these are the exceptional students who are just earning during their college time or school time because they don't have family support, or their family is not the financially freedom. The financial is not much stronger, so they have to work in kind of job or whatever. But if you're a student who have nothing to do with job, you are just need to, you're just parents saying you just study, bro. Learn some skills, read books, learn guitar, learn dancing, learn social skills. Be a cool guy in your school or college. uh, just perform on stage, do looks maxing, go to the gym, take some, build some aesthetic physique. Okay, do looks maxing, do hair maxing, do something, bhai. Just don't go to the school or college just taking lectures and just coming home and just doing nothing, just scrolling reels. You are the most stupidest guy ever if you're not doing anything, bro. And in 2026, where you are a lot of opportunities, bro, you have a lot of opportunities 2026, man. You have lot of amount of opportunities in 2026, man, and you are just still trying to do some shit things, not doing something. You have lot of amount of time, you have lot of amount of information. Back in, I know, back in when I was in school, at that point of time there was no such videos like what to do. It was a very basic, no reels at that time. Now you are getting a lot of short form information in a very quick time. Okay, now you have YouTube, you have so many things to learn from YouTube. You don't need to purchase those 5,000, 10,000 courses. I'm learning guitar from YouTube, I'm doing content creation. I have given so many values to young generations like me, to young people like me. I'm practicing English. Why I'm making this content in English, because my English is very poor. I'm not able to communicate in English properly. So that's why I'm making this kind of videos to just improve my English. And it's been uh, 68th day, 69th day, I guess. It's 69th day. I've been doing from last 3 months. Okay, do something, because it's 2026 and 2026 is half gone. Okay, more than half. 2026 is more than half gone, bro. You are living in 2026 and you are still doing nothing, just scrolling reels. You have so much information, you have so much opportunity, you have content, you can earn money through content creation, you can learn so many things from YouTube, and still sitting at home scrolling reels, watching other YouTubers like Mr. Based and all that kind of stuff. Bro, what? फिर तुम लोग ही जाके आगे जाके रोगे. Then you guys will cry and say to those people who did something in their free time, you will say to them, bro, it was just a luck, you were lucky. What the fuck? I'm lucky. I've made 600 plus videos. I'm learning each and every day. I'm just doing a lot of things lonely. So many people are not supporting me. My parents don't know what I'm doing. They're not even supporting me. I'm just struggling inside my mind and still doing learning so many things and learn so many things. I'm still trying to be a learn. I'm a forever learner. I've learned so many things. And after some time people will call me it was luck, because you were free. Free? भैंचोद, मैंने अपने स्कूल के टाइम पे कितनी सारी चीज़ें सीखी, कॉलेज टाइम में मैंने कितनी सारी चीज़ें सीखी, आगे भी मैं चीज़ें सीखने वाला हूँ. लकी? कितना सारी मेंटल ट्रॉमा से गुजरना पड़ता है, क्या क्या अपने आप की बातें सुननी पड़ती है अपने आप से, कितने वादे टूटते हैं अपने आप से करे हुए, क्या कुछ नहीं होता. व्हेन यू आर सेइंग मी दैट आई एम लकी, तुमको कोई हक नहीं. यू डोंट डिजर्व टू से यू आर लकी, बिकॉज यू हैवंट ट्राई इनफ, यू हैवंट गिव इनफ रेपुटेशंस टू एनी काइंड ऑफ वर्क, एंड नाउ यू आर एंड समवन इज नाउ सक्सेसफुल इन दैट फील्ड. Now you can't say that was a luck, because you didn't even try or you didn't give enough reputation to the work. So you can't say anyone that you were lucky. You had a lot of amount of time. You can't say like that. You can't say like that. मेरे को अगर कोई बोलेगा मैं उसको उधर की उधर पीस डालूंगा. In my school days, I'm working from last. I started working after completing my 10th. I started working on myself after completing my 10th boards, and it's been 4 years since I'm working on myself. Okay, still I will work on myself. कॉलेज भी ख़त्म, पिछले 1.5 साल से घर में हूँ, पढ़ाई कर रहा हूँ. कितनी सारी चीज़ें मैंने सीखी हुई है, कितने मेंटल, मतलब कितनी दिमाग के साथ लड़नी पड़ती है जंग. सीखने के लिए दिमाग के साथ जंग लड़ानी पड़ती है. जंग में हार गया हो कितनी बार. यू नो अकेले में कितनी सारी चीज़ें करनी पड़ती है. ये रूम में मैंने कितनी सारी चीज़ें करी हुई है, कितने आपको अपने आप को इम्प्रूव करा हुआ है. बाहर बारिश गिर रही है, बाहर बारिश को तक एंजॉय मैं नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, क्योंकि भाई ऑलरेडी बहुत सारी चीज़ें मैंने गोल्स बना के रखे, वो भी तक गोल अचीव हुए नहीं. अच्छी फिजिक मैंने बनाई नहीं, मतलब मसल्स तो बिल्ड कर लिया अच्छा खासा, बट स्टिल वो फैट कम नहीं हो रहा मेरे से, एस्थेटिक वो लीन नहीं हो पा रहा हूँ मैं. मेरे बाल चले गए, बाल वापस आने में टाइम लगेगा, गिटार सीखने में टाइम लगेगा, कंटेंट क्रिएशन में इतने वीडियोस बनाने इतना कुछ कर रहे थे, फिर भी उसमें रिजल्ट्स नहीं मिल रहे. पढ़ाई में मेरा मन नहीं लग रहा. फिटनेस में चलो नॉलेज तो मिल रही है. I'm working on so many things and still I'm not getting I'm not getting much results from almost all field. Okay, 1 रुपया मैंने कमाया नहीं अभी तक, and you will after some time people will say me that I was lucky. Yes, I am lucky. I am lucky भाई, मैंने अपने ऊपर काम किया, मैं lucky हूँ. That's it man. That's it.